So today we're taking a look and comparing two different hand blenders, and I'm going to tell you which one is my favorite. Obviously, these are two different sizes, but there is some benefits and downsides to both. So we have this one from Elite Gourmet. It's a small, compact, battery-powered hand blender. Really simple design with a built-in power cord, stainless steel blade, and plastic exterior. Now this one from Cuisinart, let me pull this package top off, is a little bit different as I unbox this. This is a completely wireless hand blender. I believe it's up to 40 minutes of use. Let's see if I can find the time. 20 minutes of use before you have to recharge it, but it does have quick charging. And it just goes back to its stand. So I'm going to show you how this one looks as well. We're just going to pull this. They have a really fancy design for these guys. So I'm going to leave that one here. Let's pull out this Elite Gourmet right here. It's a slightly different design. Okay. Boom, just like this. I'm going to take that out. And that's it for the Elite Gourmet. So I'll show you the Elite Gourmet first. It's a very simple hand blender. A really nice long power cord here. It has a power on and off button right here. So that's just how you activate it. It's just a simple hold toggle. So when you release, it stops. This is the blade component. So this is what's going to be washable. Really simple to remove. Single stainless steel blade, right? As easy as it gets. It just snaps into place like this. And now you have your hand blender. So when you're making, soups or whatever, it's super simple, super easy. Now the cord can be annoying, and that's why I think a lot of people like the cordless design, but we'll go over that. So this is the cordless design right here, and it has a few different accessories. First of all, you get this nice big mixing cup if you need it. It goes up to 800 milliliters, almost a liter. This is the main base. Now, the main downside to this one right away is it's a little bit heavier. The base is a little bit better made. It's a really nice material, but because it has a built-in battery pack, it's a lot heavier. So it is a hefty boy. We're going to put this top on. So this is a stainless steel all the way around with a stainless steel blade. It's beautiful, really nice design. And look how elegant this would look in your kitchen, right? It's just really, really nice looking. You can see it's a little bit bigger too. They're very similar in size, but slightly different at the same time. But obviously, again, the battery. Now this one has a nice handle in the back too. And that's where you charge it right there with USB micro. So for this one, I believe we go like this, but the battery's dead, and that would get it going. Now this one also comes with an extra accessory, which is this really cool little whipping handle. So we can also detach this, put on our whipping handle like this, and now we can do a little whiskey business as well. So two really great hand mixers. I don't like the 20-minute battery limit on this one, and it's always nice to have a corded. However, the Cuisinart's just such a better design, and it just looks way higher quality. I would just prefer the Cuisinart overall, but corded is always better in a lot of ways, especially when you only have a 20-minute runtime.